Welcome to this demo. Today we are looking at mem0 CLI, an open-source memory layer for AI agents. This works with every major coding agent including Claude Code, Cursor, and Codex. You can run it on your current setup and it is fully local. Check out conductorOSS.com for more. AI agents forget everything between conversations. Every time you start a new session, you have to re-explain your preferences, your project structure, and your workflow. This is not just annoying. It is expensive. Context windows are priced by the token, and every repeated instruction is money wasted. The longer your conversation history, the slower and more costly your agent becomes. What if your agent could just remember? That is exactly what mem0 CLI does. mem0 is a universal memory layer for AI agents. It stores facts, preferences, and context as structured memories that your agent can recall at any time. The project is fully open source on GitHub with over 52,000 stars. It has nearly 6,000 forks and over 2,000 commits. It is built and maintained by a large community of developers. And it works with every agent framework including LangGraph, CrewAI, and OpenAI. The CLI version installs in seconds via NPM and gives you a full memory system right from your terminal. Here is the mem0 CLI in action. After a simple NPM install, you get a full help menu showing all available commands. You can add memories with a natural language description, search across your entire memory store, list what your agent knows, update facts, and delete outdated information. The terminal output is clean and fast. You can attach memories to specific agents by ID, making it easy to maintain separate memory contexts for different tasks. This is the real product running live. Getting started takes under 60 seconds. Just run npm install g at mem0/CLI. That is it. The package installs globally and the mem0 command is immediately available in your terminal. Run mem0, help to see all available commands. Run mem0 in it to set up your memory store. There is no server to configure, no database to provision. It just works locally on your machine. So, what makes mem0 different from just writing notes to a file? First, the memory compression engine. mem0 intelligently compresses chat history into highly optimized memory representations, cutting prompt tokens by up to 80% while retaining the essential details. That is a massive cost saving at scale. Second, the JSON schema-driven design means every memory is structured and queryable. You are not searching through free text. You are running semantic queries against a well-organized knowledge base. Third, the agent-first architecture means mem0 was designed from the ground up for AI workflows, not retrofitted as an afterthought. It understands agents, sessions, and the patterns that make agentic AI actually useful. Beyond the CLI, mem0 has a rich ecosystem of plugins for the most popular coding agents. There is a dedicated plugin for Claude Code and Cursor. There is a Codex plugin in the repository right now. These plugins let mem0 operate as a transparent memory layer inside your existing agent workflow. Your agent reads and writes memories without you having to manage anything. It just works quietly in the background, making your agent smarter with every conversation. For teams and enterprises, mem0 offers self-hosted deployment options. You can run it on Kubernetes, air-gapped servers, or private clouds. The same API, the same behavior, just running on your own infrastructure. mem0 is SOC2 and HIPAA compliant with bring your own key encryption. Every memory is timestamped, versioned, and exportable. You can audit exactly what your AI knows and when it learned it. This makes compliance teams happy and gives you full control over your data. Now, if you are building with coding agents and want full control over your stack, check out Conductor OSS at conductorOSS.com. It is an open-source agent framework that works fully locally, supports multiple agent providers, and integrates cleanly with tools like mem0. The GitHub repo is at github.com/sharonix06/conductor-OSS. Star it if you find it useful. Conductor gives you the infrastructure layer. mem0 gives you the memory layer. Together they give your agents persistent intelligence. That is mem0 CLI. 52,000 GitHub stars, npm install in seconds, works with every major coding agent including Claude Code, Cursor, and Codex, runs fully local, and the memory layer is backed by a strong open source community. Links are in the description below. Give it a try and see what your agents can remember. And if you are building something serious with coding agents, check out conductorOSS.com for the full local stack. Thanks for watching.